Hey guys, we're back, and all the fucking enemies have returned. I'm not doing that good this time. Oh my goodness. That was a lucky shot though. Actually no, I did that on the LP as well. Right guys, the first one is through here. I decided to skip the beginning of the level since this will take ages. So you need the taunter for this one, guys. So an actual need for the taunter, and you get that poor innocent froggy to stand on there. And Vadoosh, bolt number 38. So yeah, you can get all of these on the first playthrough, guys, and there's no reason why you shouldn't. I mean, hell yeah, it means not returning to this level, because frankly now I feel like pulling my hair out. Right, the next one is up on those balconies there, but we need to go the long way around. Because nobody invented a damn set of stairs. Oh my god, what the f***, guys? Oh. No! I'm not here. I was meant to shoot out the damn thing and instead it... This is killing me. Alright. Aha! You going through that rock over there. Oh man. Okay, there we go, he stopped firing. So this one, I'm gonna go get now. Hopefully I can get this all into one video, because all these 3 gold bolts are right near each other. There shouldn't be a problem. If there is, message Insomniac. It's their problem now. Ah. So you go up here on these conveniently placed pads, and the second from last gold bolt in the entire playthrough. Right, down here, the final one, we are going to have to fight a ton of blogs before we can go get it. But we'll go get it. Man, I'm lucky I kept up to my promise of doing this gold bolt video. Oh, there we go, guys. The last ever trespasser puzzle done again. And I liked it. Right, you just gotta fight all these enemies, guys, and hopefully I can do this within the time limit. Ah, you can't hit me. You can keep trying. Right. Right, now I'm just expecting the blog to appear out of nowhere, and as promised, they are here, out of nowhere. Just take these out and... Right, now guys, you get on here, hover down here, and there's a conveniently placed grind rail. So we're going to take the grind rail and gold bolt. So guys, this was the gold bolt guide. I hope you liked this. I hope it helped you. I will be resuming with the Half-Life 2 Episode 2 LP. That will be coming up whenever I can record next. So yeah, put a like on this video, comment if you will, and subscribe as well. That will be very helpful. And yeah. Also, look what you unlock for doing this. Oh, never mind guys, you have to buy all the golden weapons. Never mind. 30 skill points for that one and 15 for that. Never mind guys. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. See you later.